Welcome to the Roan Solutions podcast. In this podcast, Craig Robbenheimer of Roan Solutions and Lisa McHale discuss how managed services can help business owners. You can reach Roan Solutions at 877-774-4647, or you can find us on the web at roansolutions.com. That's R-O-A-N, roansolutions.com.
How is IT management beneficial to data backup and disaster recovery?
So at Roan Solutions, we provide a comprehensive managed backup and disaster recovery service, basically to deliver the peace of mind for a company in knowing that the critical business data is protected and available 24/7. One thing that is key is backups can be that stepchild, that lonely piece of technology that, well, we only need the information if there's a problem, and a lot of the times if you're not actively maintaining that information, then there's a challenge. Often we go into prospects and ask them, when was the last time you did an actual restore of your data to test and see if you're able to come back online? And a lot of the times business owners can't answer that question, which is a challenge, and that's a huge risk. Also, finding that nowadays the tape backup methods, that still there's a lot of people out there that are using tape backup. There's a lot of people that have advanced to the new version of being able to back up on the fly with disks, and also have the ability to virtualize an environment if the infrastructure goes down or the system fails. So we're actually able to virtualize the environment and have the person back up and running in hours, as opposed to a tape backup. The last thing we want to see is the client or us having a situation where a server's down and we have this little square box that has a streaming tape and that has tape in it, where, okay, now you got to get my environment back. You know, people need to understand that that's going to take days. It's not going to take hours. It's going to be a lot of downtime, and then you start to think about, how much does that cost my company if I can't get to my resources, my electronic resources? Multiply that by the number of employees, and you're starting to look at some very, very costly downtime if you can't get the environment back up in minutes, hours, as opposed to days. So that's what we're finding in the market at the moment. We provide the managed services to the data backup so that it's being constantly maintained and looked at, and we are doing test restores on it to make sure that it is actually functioning, and that in the event of a failure we are able to bring the environment back very quickly.